Port-au-Prince in Haiti, city of full of life, city of music, culture, and resilience. The people here have always known hardship, but they have also found a way to move forward. January 12, 2012, 4:53 p.m. They had no idea what was coming, no idea that in just seconds, everything would change. Then the earth shaking, the ground beneath them buckled and split. Hospitals, schools, government buildings, all gone. More than 300,000 people were injured and more than 1.5 million were homeless. In a single moment, Haiti was broken. Over 230,000 lives were lost. The hospitals were overrun. There were too many wounded, not enough medicine, not enough doctors. People lay on the streets, waiting for help that never came. That day, they had no homes to go back. They slept under the open sky, surrounded by the echoes of grief and prayers. The world stood with Haiti. Nations sent food, medical supplies, and financial aid. But rebuilding a country is not easy. The wounds of this disaster were not just physical, they were emotional, they were invisible. Depression and post-traumatic stress disorder took hold. People who had lost everything, their families, their homes, and entire futures, were left with nothing but memories of destruction. Slowly, they began to rise again. Homes were rebuilt, schools were opened, and stronger hospitals were built to withstand future disasters. Brick by brick, Haiti is rebuilding, and though the scars remain, the spirit has never been stronger. On that day, millions are affected, a nation forever changed, but also, that day proved that they are stronger than any disaster. They lost everything, but not their future.